Hello friends, welcome to our channel Silk Zone. Today again I am back with our new collection, that is organza jute ghicha sarees. These sarees are very beautiful, very awesome and very lightweight sarees. These sarees look similar as silk sarees, but these sarees are not pure silk sarees. These sarees are organza jute ghicha sarees, and as you can see the amount of the sarees is also very less. As you can see the amount is only 750 for the cash on delivery and 650 only for the prepaid. These sarees are similar look. These sarees give you similar look to the silk sarees, because this the fabric is very different and very unique. But these are not silk sarees, as I told you, because as you can see the price of the saree is also very less and the quality is very good. And once you will wear the saree, it is very lightweight and you are going to feel very awesome, very comfortable in these sarees. All these sarees are available with us in our website as well as in our stock. You can log on to www.silkzone.in to have a look to our entire collection. You can go to our website, or else you can directly click on the link which is given in the description, which will take you to our entire collection page. And I request all of you friends to share our videos to your friends and relatives who are looking these kinds of sarees in this price, and I bet that you are not going to get these kinds of sarees in this price either from the resellers or in the wholesale, because directly you are purchasing from the manufacturers. And the price, you can see how less price this is. This is the most less price which I am giving you, because you are not going to get these sarees organza jute ghicha sarees in this price, because most of the people are selling these sarees in the name of silk sarees, but these are not pure silk sarees, as I told also. Because most of our customers demanded that they want some sarees in silk look in cheap price, so we had work over that, and we have developed these sarees. As you can see the color combination and the design is how pretty, how beautiful this is. And all the sarees are there with one numbers. If you want to look for the same sarees in our website and you are struggling to get the same color, same thing there, and if you are not finding, then you can directly search for the same sarees for the number which is given in each and every pic. And if you are placing order for the sarees in cash on delivery, you have to pay 750, and if you are paying if you want to place the order for the sarees in the prepaid, you only have to pay 650, and you are going to get 100 discount in each and every saree. As you can see the saree collection, as I am showing you in the dummy wear. Once you are going to wear these sarees, you are going to look very beautiful, very pretty. And the color combination, the color, you can see golden ghicha designs is made all over the saree, even in the pallu and all over the saree it is there. And plain sarees color combination, you can see this yellow saree, it is also having golden linings, and this is mango yellow saree. The mango yellow color is there, and even golden saree border is there, and you can see the flips are there in the pallu. How beautiful, how pretty these sarees are. And price of the saree is very less. Design is very awesome. This is the plain designs, plain collections. All the colors you can see one by one. I am showing you this, and all the numbers you can see. And one more thing friends, you will get a blouse piece along with all our collection, all our sarees. In each and every sarees, in each and every collection, you will definitely get a blouse piece with each and every sarees. And the sarees, you can see this. If you're looking for the same sarees which I'm showing you in the video, you can look in our website. Or if you're feeling some trouble, if you're not getting to contact, or you are not able to contact us, then you can do one more thing, that you can take a screenshot of the saree and you can send us in the WhatsApp. It will be also considered as the order, and you can we can proceed with that. You can place order, you can give your address, number, everything there, you can send every details there. If you want to do prepaid, security, whatever, you can pin us, definitely we'll reply there. And one more thing friend, once you place the order for the sarees, and after receiving the sarees you feel that the saree is not good, the quality is not good, then I promise you that friends, that you can return the sarees, and you can exchange instead of that, you can get any other sarees. And that also, if you are not looking that you feel that you are cheated, that you have not got the good collection, and in this price you are in this price you could have get some better saree in this kind, then definitely we are ready to refund you, because I am sure that you are not going to get this kinds of sarees in this price, because this is the what to say friend, this is the like a gift, and that's a surprise for you people to get this kinds of sarees in this price, because the price you are seeing for the COD and the prepaid only 750 and 650. In this price, this kinds of sarees is not available anywhere, neither in showrooms, shop, resellers, or any shop. You can't find this, because if some people are giving in less than that, or these kinds of sarees in this more than less price, then definitely the quality must be different, because the quality which I'm giving you, you are not going to get it from anywhere, because we are the manufacturer directly. We have manufactured this, and we are giving the best quality, and you are getting this in this price only because we are the manufacturer. And one more thing, my friend, in others website, if you go for the if you go to any manufacturer, they are not going to give you the single piece, because no one gives in a single piece to any customers, that the resellers. But we are ready to give one single piece also to our customers, and even we are ready for the exchange, we are ready for the return, and even we are ready for the refund. These kinds of facilities you are not going to get anyway. These kinds of facilities only available in the Silk Zone. Silk Zone is giving these kinds of facilities to all our customers, and I request once again each and every our friends to share this to all your friends and relatives who are looking for these kinds of sarees, these kinds of silk look sarees. But as I'm telling the truth, friend, it is very true that this is not silk saree. This is just only jute organza ghicha sarees, which makes the people look like, feel like silk, but it is not the silk. The original silk is very different. When we are working over these kinds of sarees only for our customers, because they are also demanded silk look sarees in a less price. Some people are looking for these kinds of sarees, and definitely once you wear the sarees, no one is going to recognize that this is not pure silk sarees, because this gives you a looks like a pure silk sarees. And the sarees, as you can see here, how beautiful, how pretty this saree is. Once you wear this sarees, definitely you are going to feel very awesome and very comfortable, and the weight of the saree is very less, like more than 500 grams also. And along with each and every sarees, you are going to get a blouse piece. And as I told you, all the sarees including a design number. You can see it here in the screen, in the pic, the design number is given in each and every sarees. You can place order for the sarees with these numbers. And friends, if you have any doubts or any queries, and if you wanted to talk to us directly, then definitely you can give a missed call to us, the number which is given in the description, or else directly you can make a call on this number. You can WhatsApp us on the numbers which are given in the description. Directly you can WhatsApp there, or you can call us. Definitely you are going to reply in WhatsApp, as well as we are ready to talk to our customers to the call also. If any of you are planning to start a new business of this clothes, and if you are starting a business, planning to start a business or boutique, or planning to do a business of resellings, then definitely you contact to us. Definitely we are going to help you. And all these sarees, if you will purchase in a very bulk amount, like 20, 30 and 100 pieces you are going to purchase, then definitely you are going to get some more discount from us, because the collection you are directly purchasing from the Silk Zone, that is the manufacturer, as well as we are having our shop also, and we are the manufacturer also. As you can see the collection, that green one, the pink one, and all the previous sarees which I show you are 100% pure jute organza ghicha sarees. And the color combination are very beautiful, very pretty, and all the sarees are available with us. Once you place the order, then you have to wait only for the 10 to 12 days. Within that 10 to 12 days, you are going to get these sarees, and we are going to deliver these sarees at your doorstep. You don't need to go to any courier or any other way to get the sarees. You will get all the sarees delivered to your doorstep, and you can get the sarees. Once you place the order for these sarees, either in website or in WhatsApp, definitely you will get the sarees within 10 to 12 days. And all these sarees are very beautiful, lightweight, as I'm telling you. And if you can see the saree in the screen only, how beautiful it is, and the border of the saree and the pallu of the sarees are very unique and very stylish, which is giving you a very unique look and a very prettiest look. And if you are placing order for the sarees in COD, means cash on delivery, then you have to pay 750 rupees only. And if you are placing order for the same sarees in prepaid, means before purchase you are paying then only you have to pay 650. If you want to pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, or bank account details, everything will be sent to you. You can do from the website, or if you are doing the payment in purchasing from the WhatsApp, then you can pin us there. We can send your WhatsApp, Google Pay number, Phone Pay number. You can do payment there also. And friends, all the sarees are available with us, as I said you, and the price is very less and very nice, awesome collection. Thank you so much for giving precious time to watch my video, and please like, share and subscribe, as well as said you, and have a good day, have a nice day. Thank you so much, friends.